The University Institution National School of Sports was created in 1984 with the aim of promoting and developing the sport human resource in Colombia. Nowadays, it is considered the most important Colombian sport university. Integrated professionals are educated at this place with a high humanistic and scientific level with a technological, condition, and service aim. All these aspects are intended to collaborate with sport development, recreation, and leisure time profitability. This institution is unique in Colombia. It has been the source of great professional sportsmen who have located the institutional name in the national and international scenario. A humanistic team composed by a board of directors and professors is the basis for this great institution. They have developed curricular programs and they use pedagogical methods intended to facilitate the learning processes. Programs. As a part of the formal education system, the IUN offers different types of academic programs. Physical therapy. The students are educated through 9 semesters as professional citizens with a high level of social responsibility and academic quality. This education enables the students to participate actively in promotion, recovery, optimization of human body motion for individuals and their communities. This goal is obtained through the identification of conditions which degrade health and democratic living together. In the same way, this type of education develops pedagogical strategies for the students and it provides the appropriate interactive environments to stimulate a meaningful and autonomous learning process for the student. Professional in sport. After 8 semesters, the professionals will have the human, scientific, technological, emotional skills for directing, guiding, and teaching educational and sport improvement processes. The students will be able to act in different levels and ambits of the national system of sports. They will contribute with academic and cultural pertinence to consolidate the social and human principles and values through sport activities. The IUN professionals in sports will be able to perform in different areas of the sport regional organisms. Several types of sports are involved in this process: associated sport, beginning and educational sport, high achievement sport, public forces, and special populations. Management. This is a 9-semester program. Enterprises manager is instructed under a humanistic and systematic approach. It is a change agent with all the skills to integrate his or her knowledge, resources, and processes to obtain his/her objectives and reach positive results. He or she is able to manage, lead, and consult organizations and manage processes in sport, leisure, and physical activity environments. Sport technology. The IUN students of sport technology will learn how to rise up the Colombian technical level of sport during 6 semesters. This will be achieved through methods directly related to modern technology. The students will have a high professional profile and an integral management of the sport teaching, learning process. Technology and evaluation and programming of physical activity. This is a 6-semester program. Students apply the concepts precise and efficiently about biology and mythology intended to implement the systematic programs of physical activity. On the other hand, they develop the promotion programs for physical activity in a different social context and they promote the physical activity too. This is a relevant topic to promote health by including it in national, regional, and local programs and general policies related to the different governmental organisms. Graduate programs. The IUN has a highly qualified human team of prestigious and renamed professors and the lecturers in the national and international scenario. This team will be in charge of the development of the graduate programs. Different specializations are offered. Sport direction and management. After 2 semesters, the graduates in this area will be change agents, able to lead organizations, areas, and management processes in sports, physical, education, and leisure, and free time context. This professional will have the skills to manage and consult sport organizations, programs, projects, and events. The graduate can perform as a director, coordinator, and manager of different types of sports organizations, programs, and sport projects. Physical activity. The specialized graduates in this area will have a high level of scientific and technical skill and moral values to design, apply, perform, and evaluate projects, work plans, and researches after 2 semesters. All these items are related to physical activity and addressed to healthy and vulnerable populations, especially for individuals or communities with chronic non-transmissible diseases. The graduate will also develop prevention and promotion programs either for the general society or individuals. The graduate will be a leader for the design, application, and evaluation of physical activity integral programs as a manager of research projects in the field of physical activity. All these projects will be according to the environment needs. Theory and methodology of sport training. This is a 2-semester program. The students learn how to program and plan sport training processes in operative and strategic level for sport groups during different stages of teaching. University projection. University projection is conceived as the creation of a positive impact on intervened communities. This goal is obtained by implementation, interaction, and following of work educational programs and human development programs. Practices in peasantries at the same time that the consultancies and technological management and enterprising promotion and diffusion are the basis of educational and academic effort for researchers and professors. National system of education. Education for work and human development states the institution on a new context, different from traditional educational processes. It allows the institution to get involved in changes based on Colombian coverage and quality needs. These characteristics enable the institution to reach the best social development and economical conditions to improve people's lives. Based on the previous arguments, the new technical work programs are created and offered by the institution. These new programs are sport training, sport promotion, information system auxiliary, sport and recreational liveliness, and children care. Interinstitutional relationships office agreements. The interinstitutional relationships favor the integration of the university institution national school of sports with the local, national, and international environments. The university institution national school of sports has developed policies to be included in this context. This goal is obtained by cooperative, academic, and scientific programs and projects of under and graduate levels, and research or extension programs intended to develop scientific and technological responsibility in social university projection. The University Institution National School of Sports Undergraduate Graduate Office. The Graduate Office has created close relationships with the public or private productive sectors and professional trade unions. The graduates receive new knowledge, alternatives, and academic services. The Graduates Office has stated some policies to be in permanent contact with the students. These policies are following strategies: directory, work and human development education programs, work observatory, and association for undergraduates or graduates. Research. The University Institution National School of Sports is in charge of functions like teaching, research, and community relations. In 1999, the research activity became one of the main challenges for the institution. Nowadays, research is stated and intended to 2 big processes: articulation between teaching and research, and promotion and development of the research. The research development is focused in local and regional community intervention. CERFIT. CERFIT is an open professional practice space for school students which are accomplishing the educational curriculum. CERFIT offers its services to students and sportsmen, women, management, staff, professors, and general community with no distinction of age, gender, occupation, or social condition. Integral Laboratory of Motion Analysis. The LIAM has the mission to study body motion from an ethical and integral conception intended to promote the academic and scientific development of the academic community. This approach generates high-quality results with a high impact in sports and health environments. Physiology Laboratory. The purpose is the development and strengthening of the research area in physical therapy and sport. This goal is obtained by working together with the areas, and it promotes and stimulates the research spirit of the students. Library José María Cajigal. The library José María Cajigal has been created to provide the highest and most efficient possibilities to access the necessary knowledge and information for the intellectual affairs of the university community. The library supports the community with a documental information service in a precise and appropriate way. University Student Office for Well-Being. This organism has the objective of promoting working and living together environments by creating a belonging sense for all the university community, including professors, management, staff, and under and graduated students. University Institution National School of Sports students enjoy an environment with comfort and the necessary facilities and physical spaces for practicing all the sport disciplines. A high qualified human team of management, staff, and professors support and guarantee a satisfactory permanence and development of the students at the university. At the University Institution National School of Sports, we are pioneers in human talent, education intended to sport service.